today's video, we are going to be discussing how we can make a potent onion juice recipe that will help you grow a very strong, healthy hair, help you retain length, reduce breakage, and also reduce dandruff. Today we are going to be using our onion, garlic, ginger, cayenne pepper, coconut oil, and our essential oil. Now you might wonder, I have 3 different onions here, but I'm not gonna use all the onions. It is better I have the red, the white, and the yellow. It is best to use the yellow onion because it has more sulphur and flavonoids. You can tell because it has the sharpest taste. So I'm going to take off these other 2. Then we're going to be making use of this one. Garlic and onion are members of the same allium family. Garlic has the same amount of antibacterial and antifungal property. It also has a high amount of sulfur and stimulates blood flow to the scalp. It also has a high amount of zinc and copper. Garlic is also good when it comes to treating dandruff. Onion contains sulfur, one of the main minerals that can make your hair grow, and it is also very crucial for healthy hair, skin, and nails. Our hair is made up of 70% protein called keratin, which has a very high amount of sulfur. Onion also helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which helps in healthy hair and helps to grow your hair fast. Onion contains vitamin A, C, E, biotin, folic acid, and sulfur. It also helps to fight dandruff, and it also helps with inflammation and prevents dandruff, itchy scalp. Then ginger. Ginger is also another powerful plant. It helps to fight dandruff issues. It helps with itchy scalp. It stimulates blood flow to the scalp, which in turn leads to healthy hair and hair growth. Then we are going to be using our red pepper, our cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper has capsaicin in it, which is powerful bonus to this remedy because it has the highest. It helps to increase the stimulation of blood flow to your scalp. So I'll cut off the ends of the scales of the onion, the ginger, and also of the garlic. I'm trying to peel off the scales. Be careful so the knife doesn't cut you. So everything is ready now, and I'll wash it properly. You can either use a blender or you use a grater, but in the area where I stay here in Africa, Nigeria, sometimes we usually have power failure, so I decided to go with the grater. So I'm grating everything now together. So everything has been grated, so that's what I got. I'll be sieving it now using my sieve. So I'll be sieving it. So I've sieved off everything. So that's the juice I got. Then I'll be going in with my cayenne pepper. Like I said earlier, cayenne pepper is very good. It contains capsaicin, and this capsaicin is very good. It helps to stimulate the flow of blood on your scalp, which in turn will lead to healthy hair and create an environment for your hair to grow. So I've stirred my mixture together. Then I'll be transferring everything into my applicator bottle with the aid of a funnel. This recipe is a must try. If you are suffering from dandruff, itchy scalp, you need to try this recipe. It's a must try. It has really helped me to grow a healthy hair. I usually suffer from dandruff a lot, but since I got this recipe, I don't experience anything like dandruff, and my hair has really grown. It's a very good recipe. You can try this and you will thank me later, and your hair will really love you for that. So it's application time. So I'm applying everything. First, I concentrated more on my scalp, and I gave my scalp a thorough massage, because massage helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which will help you to grow your hair, grow a healthy hair, and help you retain length. This recipe also is very good to curb dandruff issues. It also helps you to curb hair fall. This onion juice recipe has so many benefits for our hair. And this recipe is not something you will be using every day, because it can actually cause you headache. So what I advise, you use it like twice in a month. And it is not a miracle, something that you use once and immediately you see the results. No, it's something you use on a regular basis. Then I bet you will really see your results. So it's an amazing recipe, very good recipe. It will grow your hair, help you get a thicker, healthy, natural 4C hair. Any hair type can use it. So I'm massaging it thoroughly, to stimulate my scalp. Massage thoroughly. You can even do the inversion. You can even invert your head for more results. And you know, inversion helps to push blood to your scalp, which helps to stimulate hair growth. I also went ahead to add more coconut oil, so it doesn't leave my hair dry. I added more coconut oil. Coconut oil has an excellent antibacterial and antifungal property, which makes it the best carrier oil for this remedy. It decreases the evaporation and improves the absorption of onion juice to the scalp, which causes deeper penetration and a better result, which will help us get our result, which is to reduce hair fall, dandruff, and grow a healthy hair. So now I'll wrap my hair up. To wrap it up, then I'm going to cover it with a shower cap and also use my turban as well, so that my body will be able to produce a maximum amount of heat which I need for this remedy. Since I have a low porosity hair, I actually need heat so that I'll get a better result. The remedy, the mixture, will be able to penetrate into my hair shaft and help me with my results of reducing dandruff and growing a healthy, natural 4C hair. So I'm going on to wrap my hair with my turban. You can actually stay under a hooded dryer for maybe 45 minutes, or you can even use your steam cup if you want to. So I'll be going to bed, and then tomorrow I'm gonna wash it off. Good night, everyone. So it's the next day. I'm washing my hair with my moisturizing shampoo from Aphrodisiac hairline. You can see my scalp looking so neat, very clean, and my hair is feeling so soft. I bet you this recipe is a must try. Onion juice recipe has been saving lives since 1900. You really need to try this out. So if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and also share and like this video to your friends and families. So see you next time. Bye.